Hi, I'm Katie.
Hi, I'm Adele, and we're your K-12 instructional tech coaches.
Welcome to your first Bite-sized PD.
Using audio clips can help aid in understanding, differentiate, and increase student engagement in the face-to-face or virtual classroom.
Adding audio instructions for your students can help many different learners. Once an audio clip has been uploaded to your drive, you can easily add it to a slide deck so that students can listen to the instructions as they follow along with the written instructions. So for example, if I have these written instructions, I can insert audio, and students can just click on the audio to listen to the instructions being read on the screen. Students can also use audio feedback on a slide deck. This could be really handy for peer-to-peer editing, creating digital stories, ebooks, reading assessments, and so many other things.
For your LMS, you can add it to a Google Classroom as a material to review and listen, or under your assignment for specific reminders and criteria. To do so, go under Classwork, click on Create either assignment or material. Under your Drive tool, find the recent audio clip that's been uploaded. And that can be shared to one student, or the whole class. And this can be used as an assignment as well too. Students can submit multiple audio recordings of their feedback or understanding as an attachment. To do so, go ahead, click on Classwork, find an assignment, click Add or Create, select Google Drive, find a recently uploaded audio file, insert it, and then don't forget to click on Turn In.
One way you can engage your students is to use audio clips to record podcasts. Students can display their script as they're recording their voice. Once the recording is complete, they can even edit their clip.
So how do you get those audio clips on your drive? Screencastify is the tool we recommend to use to create audio clips. In the past few years, it has been a popular tool for video creation, but you can use it to record and download audio clips. Screencastify is an extension paid for by the school board, so you can rest assured that it is a safe tool to use. It has been pushed to all staff and students.
So just click on the extension. Doesn't matter if you choose browser, tab, or desktop. Share your screen. And now it's recording your voice. Talking, talking, talking. Once you're done, click the extension again to click stop. This will open up in your editor window. You'll need to go down to the bottom and export video. Scroll down to more options. Choose export as MP3. It's going to load, and then you'll need to hit download MP3. Once it's downloaded, it will go, if you're on a PC, directly to your computer, and if you're on Google Drive, it will go to directly to your Google Drive. That's all for today. For more bite-sized PD and other resources, please check our Modern Learning website found here on our staff portal.
Please reach out to us if we'd like to co-plan or explore how to leverage technology in your classroom. Take care.